Creating a healthy and productive morning routine is essential for starting your day on the right note. In this extensive guide, we will explore a variety of habits that can contribute to a positive and energetic morning, from the moment you wake up to the time you start your work or daily activities. Incorporating these habits can enhance your overall well-being and productivity. Table of Contents 1. Introduction. Importance of a morning routine. How habits impact productivity. 2. Wake up early. Benefits of early rising. Tips for becoming an early riser. 3. Hydration. Importance of water in the morning. Lemon water and its benefits. 4. Mindfulness and meditation. Mindful breathing exercises. Meditation techniques for beginners. Mindfulness apps and resources. 5. Exercise and physical activity. Types of morning exercises. Creating a simple workout routine. Benefits of morning workouts. 6. Healthy breakfast choices. Nutrient-rich foods. Quick and easy breakfast ideas. Importance of a balanced breakfast. 7. Planning and goal setting. Creating to-do lists. Prioritizing tasks. Setting SMART goals. 8. Tech-free time. Limiting screen time in the morning. Establishing boundaries with technology. 9. Gratitude practice, journaling and reflection. Counting blessings, expressing gratitude. 10. Reading and learning. Incorporating reading into your morning routine. Educational podcasts and audiobooks. 11. Personal development, skill development. Setting personal challenges. 12. Social connection. Connecting with loved ones. Morning rituals with family or roommates. 13. Proper grooming and self-care. Skincare routine, personal hygiene practices. Dressing for success. 14. Mindset and affirmations. Positive affirmations. Cultivating a positive mindset. Overcoming negative thoughts. 15. Time blocking. Allocating time for specific activities. Creating a schedule, the Pomodoro technique. 16. Reflection and evaluation. Assessing your morning routine. Making adjustments as needed. 17. Conclusion. The cumulative effect of healthy habits. Long-term benefits of a productive morning routine. Appendix. Recommended reading list. Additional resources for each habit. Printable morning routine planner. This comprehensive guide aims to provide you with the knowledge and tools to build a morning routine that suits your lifestyle and promotes both health and productivity. By adopting these habits gradually, you can transform your mornings and, consequently, enhance the overall quality of your life. Remember, the key is consistency and finding a routine that works for you.